Thank you, Roger. Yeah,
Yeah.
the therapist, to your point, my book is saying it's photographic therapy, but immersive stories and animal stories, stories about creation that I have interacted with, but I don't feel I'm the sole owner
Uh-huh.
of these amazing experiences, which I'm sure we'll get into.
Yes.
But these are things we all can learn from. The part of my experiences that are may people may find them interesting, but that are the shall I say sad parts,
Hmm.
the things that make you want to cry. I leave those things for the therapist.
Yeah.
We all don't need to. I'm sure each individual has their own sorrow,
Hmm.
or even their own happy points. Some of the pictures help us to remember happy things as
Sure.
well. So I try not to pretend like I can be the person to hear all of that. Things can be very heavy, and we
Hmm.
have professionals for that. So,
Yeah.
yes, I have colleagues and friends that we talk to each other about things going on with us. But really, when it gets to be bigger, we take it to bigger sources, those
Yeah.
who are trained to handle those things.
Right.
But the experiences of how to cope can be shared, right?
Absolutely. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's what I seek to do.